Hello my lovely Facebookers and everyone is watching. It's your girl Tati this weekend. You know, just as usual, dancing. You know, sometimes in life there are people who have vowed upon your name that you will never succeed whatever. You know, be it when you were taking your degrees, you were taking your education, you were taking maybe about to have a wedding, but they said it will never come to pass. But today I just want you to dance upon those words and tell yourself that you are the captain of your life. No family member, no enemy will ever destroy your life. Because, you know, it's who you are to make it or to break it. Just get up and stand up. Don't be afraid. A lot of people have written to me to say, Tatalicious, I've got an auntie in the family member, and she has vowed that I will never do anything. But my dear, tune up the radio and dance. And tell that aunt in your spirit that you will do whatever possible to make you succeed. Maybe some of you want to go and pray all night prayers. Do what makes you succeed. Maybe you are going to those African traditional healers. Do what makes you succeed. And remember, it's you who make your life prosperous, not anyone. I love you so much, my people, and be inspired. Keep on dancing. Enjoy your weekend and makandi koshera mufunge.